Hello and welcome to the second day of draws for my 12 days of Christmas giveaway. Yesterday was draws 1 to 4. Thank you to everyone for getting in touch who won there. And today is going to be from days 5 to 8. Same process. We're going to look at each one and then use the random comment picker. Now, it seems to be lots of adverts on my videos at the moment for cruises. I'm guessing it's that time of the year where we're all thinking about going on holiday. First draw is for another AR wing. Thank you to Sonic Model for sending these through. The AR wing is absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to load them into the random comment picker. Again, loads of interaction on this one. Thanks to everyone that got in with the spirit of this. Make sure we've removed the duplicates. And the winner of the second AR wing of the giveaway is Moriwaki C. Apologies if I've just completely destroyed your name. Quick look at your site. Yes, definitely looks like you're a pilot too. So you are going to have a whale of a time building out this AR wing. Check out my AR wing build that I did when I put Ardu plane in it. It went really well. I love that wing. It's one of my favorites. Next one then is for day... Oh, another. I'm guessing I'm getting these on the videos because goggles is one of the key words, and FPV goggles. So the 6th day of Christmas is for the second Menace RC pack. Again, thank you to Menace for providing these. So again, let's cut and paste the pieces into the random comment picker. Load all the comments. And the winner of the second Menace RC antenna pack is Jovian Marshall, or Jovan, I'm guessing that's pronounced. Jovan Marshall, congratulations. Slew FPV. Looks like you are definitely into the hobby already. So congratulations. Again, both of you pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com and then we can sort out addresses and get things shipped. Next day is day 7 and that was for the Armatan. Well, actually, it's the Sabotage RC stuff, the Slatra 5 frame. This is a cracking little frame and will make for a beautiful build for somebody over the winter months. So let's again cut and paste all the things into the random comment picker, load the comments, and the winner of the Slatra, I think that's how you pronounce that, frame is Blacksmith Joe. Normally flies 3 inches. Well, in that case, you will love this. Hopefully it'll make for a fantastic build for you. No videos on there. We'll definitely see you're a subscriber. Congratulations, well done. Again, pop me an email to lee@painless360.com and we'll get that out to you. Right, last one. Day 8. I'll fast forward through that advert. This is for the Toolkit RC thing. This is the little multi-function unit. These are really, really cool. If you haven't got one of these, you'll be surprised how you manage without one. So again, cut and paste that into the comment picker. And the winner of the Toolkit M8S is John Mansley. John, hopefully I pronounced your name right because I seem to be having a terrible time this morning getting everything sorted. Can't see anything on your channel. Looks like you've got everything hidden. But as with everyone else, pop me an email to lee@painless360.com and we'll get all the things sorted. But don't worry, the last 4 days of the giveaway will be in the next day or two, and then that will be the 12 days of Christmas finished for this year. There'll probably be another giveaway on the channel later in the month, so do stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.